I'm Ian Lichfield and I'm CEO of WHP. WHP design and build sterile and hygienic process equipment and facilities for a broad range of applications. In late 2016, we identified some significant projects in the pharmaceutical and biomedical industries. The backing we looked for was for the initial investment, but also we were looking for a partner that could join in our vision and our strategy and also had the desire to capitalise on the market opportunities. We were delighted to partner with Enact, who supported the management team throughout the transition process. Enact have brought experience and expertise to the table. In addition, they've also introduced highly skilled and trusted executives into the business. Looking forward, we're looking to grow again, but we're also got a 3-year plan which we're hoping will also deliver a platform for further growth, profitability, delivering high quality projects